Welcome to the Hair Biz Tip of the day. Today we are going to talk about custom packaging. It's so important. First impressions matter. Think about when you are getting ready to go out on a date, right? And you met this guy and you're super nervous and you're trying to make sure you have on the best perfume, your hair is done, your nails done, eyebrows laid, all of that stuff. You want to make sure that you are putting a great first impression on, right? You're making sure that you're presentable and you're making sure that the other person is receptive. Think of your hair business the same way. When people encounter your business, what is the first impression that they're going to have, right? So you want to think about, what does my branding look like? What is the message I'm sending out? What is the customer experience that I'm allowing my customers to have? So you want to think about everything from the time they step foot in the door on your website to the time that the package arrives at their home. So you want to make sure that you have a great design for your website. And then the other thing, you want to make sure that the customer experience as they're purchasing online is seamless. So they're able to add products to their cart. Everything is very clear and concise. You have a tab for contact just in case they need to reach out, right? So when they add things to their cart, they can click checkout. There's a bar for coupon codes. Once they check out, they're getting a confirmation email. You want to make sure that that whole process there is seamless. And then you get into the second part of that customer experience, which is when they actually receive the items, right? So you want to think of some custom packaging that is going to be memorable. So if you're new to the hair business and you're just starting off and maybe you have a budget that you're looking to stay in between, you don't have to just be basic because you have a budget, right? So you can look at getting custom silk bags. So when hair arrives in silk bags, women love that. First of all, silk is great for your hair, which is why people always recommend sleeping on silk pillowcases. But if the hair is coming in the silk bags, you are storage in the hair perfectly for your clients. And then after that, once they take their hair extensions out, whether they have bundles, clip-ins, wigs, whatever it is, they can put their hair back into that same custom silk bag, right? So that experience is they're receiving the hair, it's in this custom silk bag. Maybe you have the little cute tags on them as well that shows them the hair care or the lengths and the type of hair that they've purchased. And then sometimes people put inside of the bags a little care card. Maybe on the front, it's how to take care of your extensions. And on the back, it could be a coupon with social media handles on there as well, so that they know where to find you on social media, so that they can tag you, as well as a coupon for their next visit. So now you've just shared with them a coupon for them to use on their next visit, so that now they know, okay, great, next time I need to purchase hair, I have a 15% off coupon. I love this company. It was seamless checking out when I got my hair. It was nicely wrapped in a custom silk bag with their logo on it. This is just beautiful. So you want to make sure that that customer experience is great. If you sell edge control, if you sell lashes, you want to make sure that you have great labels on those as well. Everything that is packaged inside of your box, you want to make sure that it always relates back to your brand. So the thing I want you guys to think about is custom branding, and it doesn't have to be extravagant for it to be great, right? If you're on a budget, you can stick with certain things. You can do the hair tags. You can get custom hair tags and just utilize the standard clear bags that the bundles come in. You can utilize that. Maybe get some cute cards. Utilize tissue paper. You can be creative with this, right? It doesn't have to be super expensive, but you want to make sure your customer experience from start to finish is amazing. Hope this was helpful for you.